All right, so we're here in Del Mar at a brand new custom home that we've been working on for a few months while it's being built. This is the brand new Solar Edge HD Wave inverter, which has no display. As you can see, there's no display on it. You can talk to it with your cell phone, which is pretty cool. We pre-wired here for an emergency panel, so we're going to add batteries to the system once the home is powered up and they know how many batteries they need to supply these circuits. So the batteries are going to go across this wall behind me here, and as you can see, we pre-wired with conduits in the wall before drywall, and we're just a couple days away from powering it up. So we're going to go to the roof and look at the custom glass panels on the roof. Okay, so this is the rooftop in Del Mar. This customer went with the glass Sunpreme bifacial modules. So what that means is it gets reflective energy for any of the sun that hits this white reflective roof that is really bright. You can't even take it up here without glasses. It reflects up and you get a boost from the backside of the modules. The other giant benefit from these modules on a flat installation is there's no lip, there's no frame. So usually there's a lip around the module, and all the dust from the dew at night and everything will settle against the frame and shade your cell. So with these guys, the dust and soiling will run right off the module. So that alone will save you 10% or gain you 10% a year with these modules over a conventional frame module on a flat install. This is our conduit that was run while the house was had open walls. This type of flashing is called the pitch pot. And so they use these and they fill it up with actually like a tar sealant substance, and it gets hard and that seals it up. So makes it so you can keep this lower. Otherwise you'd have a big flashing come up and this piece would be up here. So they're trying to keep everything low.